South Africa reached 45-1 at stumps against host West Indies after only 15 overs were bowled on the rain-hit opening day of the first Test at Queen's Park Oval. The visitors made an unspectacular but steady start on Wednesday before rain interrupted the morning session and forced an early lunch. No further play was possible because of a wet outfield with stumps called at around 2:45 p.m. local time. West Indies' Jason Holder claimed the only wicket so far in the medium quicks 1 over, bowling Adin Markram for 9. Markram had shared an opening stand of 43 with Tony de Zorzi after South Africa won the toss and chose to bat first. Pacer Kemar Roach, 0-6, constrained the South African batters with 3 maidens in his 5 overs. De Zorzi, 30 not out, and Tristan Stubbs, 2 not out, are at the crease. The 2-test series will be followed by 3 T20 games.